Today's class will discuss about the BOA and the PRC oversight, or the Board of Accountancy and the Professional Regulation Commission oversight. Ano pagkakaiba or ano ang role ng BOA and also with the PRC, no? Okay. So, yan, the BOA or the Board of Accountancy and the Professional Regulation Commission. So, the introduction muna. Number one, the accounting profession in the Philippines is regulated and supervised to maintain high standards of ethics, competence, and accountability. And the oversight is the primarily exercised by the PRC and at the same time by the Board of Accountancy. Okay. So ano ba yung PRC and the Board of Accountancy? We go first with the Professional Regulation Commission. So ito ay established under the Presidential Decree number 223 last 1973. So matagal na siya, no? 1973. It is a government agency under the Department of Labor and Employment. So it is part of the DOLE, no? Department of Labor and Employment. It supervises and regulates the practice of various professionals, including, of course, the Board of Accountancy. And we have the accountants. Okay. So with this, as PRC, no, core functions, number one, it regulates the professionals, regulation and licensing of professionals. Number two, administration of the examinations, no, with the SIPALE, no. So SIPALE, no, so any licensure examinations. Number three, supervision of professional regulatory board like the Board of Accountancy, Board of Engineering, Board of Nursing, di ba? Sa atin naman is more on the Regulatory Board of Accountancy. And number four, implementations also of regulatory laws and policies and some of the disciplinary actions for professional misconduct. Bakit yung iba ay nagpapasaway? So, pwede kang mawalan ng lisensya with the Professional Regulation Commission. Okay. Alright. So, with this, as part of uh, so you have also here your the Board of Accountancy, no? Very important also is created under the Republic Act number 9298, or also known as the Philippine Accountancy Act of 2024. Sorry, 2004. That was, okay, correction na. That was 2004. Okay, so matagal na siya. So created under Republic Act 9298, and it is composed of one chairman and six members appointed by the President and the Philippines, no? So appointed siya ng ating presidente, and is created under supervision of the Professional Regulation Commission. Okay. So under this BOA, ano yung kanyang responsibilities? Okay. Number one, supervise the practice of accountancy in the Philippines. Okay. You have also here prescribe and preview or review the CPA licensure examination. Okay. So also one. And also adopt and enforce the Code of Ethics in the Philippines. So very important is the Code of Ethics now in the Philippines. Ensure also the continuing professional uh, development, or the CPD. Investigate also some of the violations and impose some of the disciplinary sanctions. Ito rin yung mga part, no, ng responsibilities ng ating Board of Accountants. Okay. And the BOA oversight functions, it ensures adherence to the auditing and the accounting standards. At the same time, the ethical standards. It also collaborates with accreditation bodies, professional organizations like PICPA, and some of the academic institutions. Okay. Okay. So ano yung relationship, no, ng BOA ng PRC at PRC? Okay. PRC and BOA. PRC naman, government agency supervising all the professionals or all of the professions. So in BOA, regulatory board focus on accountancy. Kaya nga sa atin ay we have the Board of Accountancy. The PRC, it provides policy directions and administrative support with while BOA ensures technical and disciplinary regulations. Basta yun ang pagkakaiba ng PRC at BOA. No? They support naman each other. Okay. Or relationship pala, not difference. And we have the PRC oversight of BOA. So PRC muna, then followed by the Board of Accountancy. The PRC supervises BOA to ensure compliance with national laws and regulations. It also review and approve BOA resolutions and guidelines, and also it provide administrative and operational support. Okay, that's the PRC oversight of the Board of Accountancy. And some of the accountability mechanisms that to have transparency and governance. Number two, you have the public reporting of disciplinary actions, and with the continuing professional development monitoring and some coordination with the COA, ano yung COA? Commission on Audit, SEC, Special Education Commission, you have the BIR, the Bureau of Internal Revenue, and the other agencies. No? Securities and Exchange Commission yan. Okay. That's part of the coordinations no, ng ating mga accountability. Okay. Of course, there would be challenges. So challenges adapting to international standards. That's why we are following the international accounting standards or the international financial accounting standards or the IFRS or the IAS. We have also here addressing some of the unlicensed practice. No, madaming ganon. Alright, and also we have we have strengthening ethics and we have our independence. And of course, there would be opportunities. There would be global recognitions of Filipino CPA. Kaya nga there would be there is an ASEAN CPA, no? Integration also of the digital tools and regulations, and stronger collaboration and with academia. All right. So conclusions, no? PRC and BOA safeguard public interest and uphold professional excellence, and their oversight ensures that accountants remain competent, ethically, and globally competitive. And with this, the oversight is not just a regulation, no? It is the protection of a public trust. So that's the difference between or relationship between the Professional Regulation Commission or the PRC and the Board of Accountancy or the BOA. Bye-bye.